Welcome to our tutorial about editing your database. Let's start by dragging in the grid view control and choosing a data source. New data source, database, OK, connection string, next, and let's select the users table. We need all of the columns. Now let's click on Advanced. Select Generate Insert, Update, and Delete statements. Also check Use Optimistic Concurrency. The first option lets us insert new records and also to update and delete existing records. The second option prevents data inconsistencies. Let's say if two users are working with the same data and updating the same record. This functionality will manage this type of situation. It's a good idea to keep Use Optimistic Concurrency checked. Let's click OK. And let's click Next. And Finish. Let's check the Enable Editing and Enable Deleting options. I can select these options right here, or I can do it from the Edit Columns interface. Let's scroll down, expand the command field. Let's add Edit, Update, and Cancel. We'll add Delete as well. Let's delete some columns while we're here, User ID. And let's move Edit, Update, and Cancel up to the top. Delete we'll leave at the end. Click OK. As you can see from the Edit Columns window, you've got some more flexibility for customizing. Let's recheck it now. Down below, we've got the option to edit templates. From this drop-down menu, we currently see two choices, Empty Data Template and Pager Template. Let's return and let's test our program. Let's click Edit. We'll type Tom. Let's change the email address also. Now we can cancel or update. And the record was updated. The same goes for delete. This concludes our tutorial about editing your database.